try problem number 18, 7.4, practice C, also on logarithms and inverse. And they're asking me to find the inverse of y is equal to log base 2 of 8 to the x minus 1. Well, if I'm going to do the inverse, first I'm going to switch my x and y. So x is equal to log base 2, 8 to the y minus 1, minus 1. And I'm going to write that the way that I feel most comfortable, with the logarithm on the left-hand side. You don't have to do this, but I like to. Log base 2 of 8 to the y minus 1. I'm sorry, this is looking kind of sloppy. There, this looks a little bit better. Log base 2 of 8 to the y minus 1 is equal to x. So what this is telling me is that I want to know 2 to the exponent of x is equal to 8 to the y minus 1. I'm moving my 2 over here, bumping that x up into be its exponent. So I have 8 to the y minus 1 is equal to 2 to the x. And it looks like I could be stuck, except that I realize 8 is an exponential relationship to 2. 8 is 2 to the third. So I have 2 to the third to the y minus 1 is equal to 2 to the x. Well, let's make this, let's take our y minus 1 and multiply it times our power of 3 there. So I have 2 to the 3y minus 3 is equal to 2 to the x. Well, that's telling me that x is equal to 3y minus 3. If I had 2 to the fourth is equal to 2 to the x, I would know that x is equal to 4. Well, in this case, I know that since they're both they're both exponents on the same base, and I'm told that they're equal, that my x is going to be equal to 3y minus 3. Well, I'm solving for y. I probably shouldn't have moved it over to that side, but I did. So let's just continue it here. So now I have x plus 3 is equal to 3y. Or we'll move it back to the other side. So 3y is equal to x plus 3. I divide both sides by 3, and I get y is equal to 1/3 x plus 1.